What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about LIDO DAO today for Mr. Mohammed El Mensi. Let's see here. Looking at this thing here. Is that all the data we got? A little bit more. Where does that come from? Kraken, maybe? Ooh, getting close, but not quite there. I think we'll just use the Binance chart. Yeah. I want to use the crypto chart. Yeah, because this is the technical all-time high. All right, so you're saying it looks like it's breaking out. You want to know what it's doing now. Today, we're up 4.5%. I wouldn't say we're breaking out, though. We could be. We could be making our way up higher. Very strong-looking readings on the RSI. Very constructive, man. Higher, low. You look like you're in this ascending channel with it. Looks good. Probably make your way up to the overbought zone, which, yes, would lead you to a breakout. You're at about $2 now. You probably see prices above 220, above this high very soon. Looking at it on a weekly perspective, you're in this lower high, lower low formation. Yes, you very well could be getting ready to break out. You very well could be. From top here to bottom, you're above your 382, closed above it, wicks below it, found support, quote unquote, right? You might be making a move up to about 241 to 257 in a very short amount of time, and ultimately probably higher than that. Probably on to about 423, maybe even up to $5.70. That would be new all-time highs in itself. I wonder what you're doing with this top to bottom fib here. It wouldn't surprise me if you didn't see respect on it. Not really. I mean, you held the 0.5 rather well. I don't like it. I don't think it's that respected, right? It got on a lot of major exchanges after this drop, so maybe this top to this bottom would be more significant. Yeah, you're finding support on the 382. Yeah. With this look, man, I mean, yeah, you're probably going to break out of this little downtrend you've got. You've probably already broken out of it more or less. And you're going to see a move that's rather fantastic up to your 786, 886 area, which would be around $3 to maybe $2.65 based on this scale. Again, from the first scale, what was I saying? Somewhere around 241 to 257, something like that. So that's a little bit lower, but kind of close. Maybe you do find resistance here. I would look to this zone first. This is where I'm going to go to the USDT on Binance here. Using volume. Volume's coming in as you're moving. It looks good. RSI looks really good, man. The daily RSI looks good. The weekly RSI looks good. 4 hour. Neutral but strong. Resilient. Looks good. Looks like it wants to go. Yeah, man. You're in this, right? Like you were consolidating for a little bit, and then you broke out, and now you're consolidating for a little bit. You're probably going to break out. Maybe consolidate a little bit more, and then you break out again, and then you see a more corrective dump after that. I don't know. The 4 hour would lead me to believe that this isn't going to move up too much, but the daily and the weekly look a lot more bullish. So I do think, and that overweighs the 4 hours. So from top to bottom here again, look for this area 238 to 253, somewhere in there. Maybe you find resistance on it. It wouldn't look too bad. You could have like a left shoulder ahead come up and form your right shoulder. Oops. Oh, but then you'd go all the way back. Maybe. I don't think you would, actually. I don't think you'd do that, no. I don't know what I was looking at. I'm sorry. Yeah. Anyways, up. Up is what I'm thinking. Up is what I'm thinking, yeah. I'm seeing what you're seeing, Mohammed. I think that it is going to go higher, man. Here it is, already today up about 3.5%. It went down 1% since I talked about it, but it is possible that it could turn around here. But what it looks like you're doing is you're finding support on previous areas of resistance, right? Resistance here, support, and then you went up. Resistance here, you're finding support, and now you're going up. I think you're going to get that continuation. The daily, the weekly, the 4 hour, all these RSIs look good. If you were to turn bearish here, if you were not to see price continue to go upwards, what you would see first and foremost to confirm that would be a 4 hour close below about $1.93. Really, if you close below $2, I'd say you're probably going to move maybe all the way back down to about $1.70. But other than that, I'm bullish. So watch for that. Try not to close below there. Try to keep closing green, especially if you can close above about $2.03. I think you're in the clear to move up to, what was it? Just below 260. Is that what it was? It was like 257, 237 to 253, somewhere in there, right? Yeah. Previous areas that you've wicked found resistance before. Ultimately, that's my assumption right now. I think you're making a move like this overall over the coming weeks. Probably by the end of the month, you'll see prices above $2.30, but below $2.60 would be my expectation. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more. Thank you all for coming, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.